to show you how you can get this very, very natural look in under 7 minutes. So stay with me. All right, so number one, I use my Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer, and I actually combine that, since it's the winter, with this Clarins Radiance Plus Golden Glow Serum that basically is a natural tanner, and you can kind of see it on my face right now. I've been doing it probably like twice a week. I use the moisturizer every day, but I use the serum, the tanner, probably twice a week, and it just gives me like a natural sun-kissed glow. So basically what you do is you take, I'll show you how to do it. You take just a little bit of moisturizer and you put it on your hand. You can kind of see my hand tanner on them. And you just put a couple of dots of Radiance Glow, depending on how dark you want to be. And you mix it all together, and you just do a very, very even layer all on your face, making sure you've got everything so you don't look splotchy. A little bit on your neck. All right, and then you're ready to do your foundation. I don't use liquid foundation because I sort of have oily skin, and so if I use liquid, I look too dewy. I don't know if that makes sense. Makes sense in my head. So I use this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder, and the color that I use is Sand Beige, and I just evenly apply it. So next, after I do my foundation, I do a little bit of contour. I use Maybelline's Master Contour. I use this one, and then here's the highlighter. And I start with a contour. Right along underneath my cheekbones, and then I usually do a tiny bit underneath here to just emphasize the jawline. And if I'm really feeling fancy, I'll contour my nose. So what you do is you just take a tiny bit of bronzer and apply it to the bottom portion of your nose, kind of like in a little V, and make sure you blend it. Go in with highlighter, just do your nose, put it on the very tip of your nose, and bring it just along the center there. Makes your face look, I guess, a little bit more angular and defined. And I'll do the highlighter. I do highlighter just along my cheeks, pretty easy. My cheekbones. Do my eyeshadow in part. I use this Revlon Not Just Nudes. I'm really a big fan of nude palettes. I think it looks good with brown eyes and brown hair. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I use this color, and then occasionally I use some of the other colors, but not a lot. This lighter color I really like. It adds nice highlight. I use it actually as a base on my eyelids, and I also apply it right underneath my eyebrows to contour my eyes a little bit. I take this darker color here and I just darken my eyebrows. I use Maybelline Define-A-Lash mascara, And you can really see the difference. I love this mascara. I think it really makes your eyelashes look really long, and I think it's pretty cheap. I got this a while ago. It's pretty affordable. Okay, so what's next? Lips. I don't really fuss a lot. It takes me like 4 to 5 minutes in the morning. It's super easy, super simple, but it really works as a very natural everyday look. Because it's the holidays, holiday season, I really like a red lip. And so I have this Revlon, the color is called Desert Spice, and I'm just gonna apply that. All right, and honestly, that's it. All done, ready for the day. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel. I know I'm new, but I'll be coming out with more videos sometime soon. All right, happy holidays.